Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you are looking to remove the threads from the Instagram bio, or can you get it back once you have removed, you will get to know all about this in this video. So let us start. So if you want to remove the threads badge from your profile, then go to your profile and then click on bagged. After clicking on bagged, you will get two options. One is to view the threads profile. By clicking on it, you will be switched to threads, and another is to hide badge from your Instagram bio. To remove the badge from your Instagram bio, click on hide badge. But there's one thing to keep in mind, that if you hide once, you won't be able to get it back. So think carefully before taking this decision. So if you want to remove, click on remove badge. And if you don't want, then click on cancel. If you are the one who have removed the badge from your Instagram bio once, the sad news for them is that you can't get it back. There's only one thing that you can do is write your problem on Instagram threads and tag the head of Instagram. That is Adam Mosseri. And if you are lucky enough to be seen the message by head of Instagram, then he's the only one who can solve your problem. Thanks for watching. Subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for all latest updates.